Hello, good morning.
Hi, very good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yes, I'm an apple pie order. Thanks for asking. Thanks for your kindness. So, yes, we are meeting very first time. So, I would like to know what you would you confirm your introduction to me?
Yes, sure. Why not? Thank you for asking, first of all. As you know, my name is Susmita Kosing. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm a mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel as well. Name is Global English Quest. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, that's good. So, would you like to know about me?
Yes, sure. Why not? Please.
Okay. So, my name is Manita. I'm from the city of Joy, Delhi. And basically, I'm from Himachal Pradesh, but we have been living here at least for 6 or 7 years. And in addition to this, I'm also working my communication skills. As far as my studies concerned, I have done graduation, Bachelor of Education, and Master too. And yes, it's all about me.
Okay, that's great. Nice to hear that. Okay. Are you a working woman or you are a housewife now?
I am housewife, homemaker, full-time homemaker. Quite essential
Okay.
homemaker, I would say.
Okay then. Would you like to do job in future?
Yes, yes, definitely. Actually, I recently I put my daughter in school, so now maybe next year I'm going to join any school because now I am free.
Okay. Which kind of job are you searching for?
Actually, I'm in teaching line.
Okay, teaching line you want to do. Yeah, teaching
Mm.
line is a very, comfortable job for women especially.
Yes, yes, for the women because
Yes.
at least we can handle our household chores and our job is also there. Actually, yes, we can kill two birds with one stone, I would say. So yes, for me it is very comfortable job. So yes, definitely I will go through with my job.
Yes. Yeah, that is very comfortable job, especially for a woman. You can take your household and take your kids, every family members, and your job as well. You can handle. Okay, that purpose. Are you learning this language or any other special reason?
Yes, I have a lot of reason, but I just want to show only two because my kids are also there and it is also prejudice for my profession. So yes, these are two reasons they are making me to get this language. So yes, I'm working on it.
Okay, that's great. Okay, how is the weather there in Delhi?
It's quite pleasant because yesterday we got rain here and weather is quite well. But before this, we are just facing a lot of problems. So now it's okay. Little bit we can handle the situation.
Yeah, it's a moderate maybe. Here also it's going on. Before that, it here was also very scorching hot. Nowadays
Mhm.
it's comfortable.
Okay, great. So,
Yeah.
do you have any question or topic you want to discuss?
If you have, then we can. I'm getting call. Please 1 minute.
Okay, okay, no, no problem. You can tell me about your spoken English. How is it treating you so far?
Yeah, it's treating me so well, and I'm enjoying my journey. I have been started my journey for I can say 8 months. So I'm learning this language.
Mhm.
Before few days I dropped for 1.5 month due to the holiday. So now I'm continuous learning this language. Yeah, it's quite going on. I'm enjoying. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
How is it treating you this language?
Mhm.
How are you
Okay,
handling
definitely.
this language?
Good to know. Yes, the same, whatever you have mentioned me, same. I also started my journey 8 or 9 months ago. And yes, before this, I was not able to speak that much. All the time, I had a cold feet. I was like fish out of water. And means I knew about all the things, but I was not able to speak properly. Right. And my demeanor start changing towards this language. Again I ruminated that okay, I have to do something for my language because I that time I had to face a lot of people. That time I went through kind of situation. Okay, and I got admitted in hospital. So it was such a very famous hospital. So people were coming here there, and they all were speaking English. So that made me little bit down because I was the only person who was not able to speak properly. So that moment was a watershed kind of moment for me, you can say. And from there, I made my mind, okay, but okay, by the all means I have to learn this language, and I started working on it. And again, I have a same teether because I didn't have any strategy to how to unpack my communication skills. So I just kept on scrolling my phone, and there was a point of time I came across with the video of Anisha. So in that
Okay.
video, she was telling about her group. Sorry, yes, there is a group. Okay, she was just telling about the group, and she was also inviting the people who wanted to discuss with her. So
Okay.
from there, I got an idea, and I just had a conversation with her, and she told me about the groups, and then I joined all the groups, and I started my journey from there. And since then to till now, I have been practicing, so it is good for me. Earlier I used to make a lot of bones, but now it is for me like water off backfish. Now it's okay. I don't have such problems.
Okay, that's great. Good to know. Okay, how do you practice?
Means
How do you means which kind things do you do for enhance your communication, like a conversation or reading, writing practice? Which kind things do you follow?
actually, yes. As a matter of fact, I would say I never ever wrote anything. I was into listening. I am into listening, but I was not into writing before this. And still, I am not writing anything because, being a homemaker, we have a kind of responsibilities. We have a kind of river, right, on our head,
Yes.
which every day. So in that scenario, I'm not able to do it. Yes, I don't write anything, but I am into listening and I am into only speaking practice. That is it. I'm not doing any special kind of things.
Okay, that's great. Are you running YouTube channel as well?
Yes, yes, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, what is the name of your channel?
Himachali Kudi.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. How's going on when you created your YouTube channel?
It's been a long time. The same when I started my speaking practice. At the same moment, I started my YouTube channel. But after that, I was no more with my YouTube channel because I just wanted to work on my communication skills. So yes, I left it off for some time for a while, and now I started it again.
Okay. Okay, how is going on and what do you expect from your YouTube channel? Just is it enhance your communication or do you expect any other things from your channel?
I am here in the quest of getting exposure. So I want to get the exposure so that I can make myself proficient in this language. Okay, so coming up to my YouTube channel, if it goes well, then yes, it is good for me. It is cherry on cake, and if it is not going well, so no, it is not hamper kind of thing for me because I am okay with my language. I have to work on it. Only that is it. I don't have another reason, and I just want to rectify my mistakes. And there are many areas which are great for me, so I want to work on that. That is it.
Okay, that's great. You know, after creating YouTube channel, we were not thinking like this. Yeah, it's just a purpose of enhance my communication. After a few months, after passing a few months, or you are started to gain knowledge or views or subscribers, comments. After that, we started to watch again and again your channel. How is going on? How much got views you got? And people's comment, which kind of comments are you getting, that it's inspire you from these comments or views, subscribers. Do we expect something from there?
Hmm. Actually, I'm not techno savvy kind of person. Actually, maybe there are some kind of settings which I haven't done, so it is not going that much well. But it is good if it is going well, so it is also good. But yes, just actually totally depend on your hard work, right? If you are doing hard work for your channel,
Yes,
so definitely you will get subscriber viewers too. So
yes,
other
definitely.
hand, yes, some kind of if your thumbnail or video quality of the video is good, so definitely people are going to click on your video, and your content should be good. All the things that should be good, then they will click for your video. Otherwise, they always think what is distinctive in that video, so that they can watch. Yeah. So yes, I
Yes.
also accept because sometimes we get tempted that particular work, whatever we are doing. So yeah, it is okay. Maybe I will get some viewers or subscriber in the future in the offline. But as of now, I don't have that much expectations.
Yeah, we should not keep expectation as well because it will be demotivate to us to learning journey. Just we our purpose is to enhance our communication, nothing else. You know, okay, how many time do you spend to learn this language in a single
As
day?
totally bank upon my time. If I am getting time, leisure time to do practice, then I usually make 3 or 4 or 5 kills. I have a WhatsApp group also, so I also go through with WhatsApp group because that was the platform where I got my fluency, accuracy, many things I begged from there. So I don't want to leave it. And now I also got this platform which is Skype, so I am also using this one. So yes, most of the time, invariably in the morning, I drop message here for Skype application because that time I have time. So yes, and if I talk about audio calls, so anytime we can make call.
Yes, yes. While doing household chores, we can make call to any other person to for on order to enhance a communication.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Mm.
that's great. Is a WhatsApp group is created by Rajni Verma?
No, no, no. Uh,
Okay.
It has been created by. There is one more lady actually. I forgot her name now, but
Okay.
yes,
Yeah, this way is very, there is maybe only ladies are there.
yes, yes. All ladies are there, and they are better than before now because we almost invariably we all started our journey together. So yes, we are good now. We are better than before. So okay, tell me what's your journey and what kind of efforts are you making to get this language?
Yeah, I'm putting, I think, 3 or 4 hours in a single day.
Mhm,
Initially, I was also not able to speak as a single word. I couldn't express my thought initially. Nowadays, I'm able to express my thought and I can say everything, whatever I want. I can express my feelings. Yes,
mhm,
I'm satisfied now. And yeah, initially I have a connect with one lady. She is Anima Jha, maybe in this
mhm,
group, from this group. That time I was not aware about this group application, a Skype application. So that time I mailed her. So I want to connect with you. So I connect with her, and she told about this application and this group, and I request her to add me please in this group. I want to enhance my communication. So she added me in this group. From that day, I have been learning this language without any taking pauses in between. So yeah, my practice or journey is going on very smooth, and I got this kind of opportunity to interact with people in daily basis. I always thank to this girl, this lady who added me in this group, and she gave me this kind of opportunity to enhance my communication. So
mhm,
that's how it's going on so far.
mhm.
Yes.
Okay, so I think we both have same story. So yes, same go with me because yeah, same goes with me because that time I was not able to. If he hadn't added me, so I would not be speaking like that currently.
Like definitely, environment is a matter a lot because we are living in India, so we have not this kind of environment in our surrounding. Definitely, we have to find an artificial environment to enhance our communication. So, if we get this kind of environment to speak with people, definitely it can help us. That is
Yes,
just a language. If you how much you will spend time, how much you think about this language, how much you spend speak with people, that much you will get fluency.
yes, yes, very true. Okay, so now what do you think? Is it helping you? This platform is helping you, or now you are getting kind of exposure, and in that scenario you are able to explain yourself.
No, if I just want to give a totally great to this group,
Mhm,
credit to this group, because without this group I would not able to speak that much. And yeah, YouTube's videos helps me a lot to think, to making sentences, how can I learn how use grammatical, this
mhm,
kind of helps me a lot. YouTube's video as well, and
mhm.
this group. Yeah, I have a WhatsApp group as well, so I can discuss everything, different vocabs and phrases, yeah, idioms.
Okay,
Yeah,
so has
that's
this
how we can use.
okay, so has this group made by?
Rajni Verma.
Okay, Rajni. Great.
That's why I asked you.
Okay, okay. No, no, I'm not in that group. I have two or three group which are totally made by women.
Yes. Okay. That is also very helpful, whenever you feel, then you can connect with
Yes,
easily with girls.
while I'm cooking, I can also make call because all the time women are available there. So same go with them. Or if they are cooking, they can talk to me. If they are cleaning, then we can
Definitely.
talk to each other. So yes, it is a good opportunity for us. We should not miss the
Yeah,
ball.
definitely. They also want to learn this language, they also take out time for their self. So they always ready to talk and to discuss different topic. It's help us a lot because they also are very curious to know learn this language.
Mhm. Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. Okay, so when it comes to speak any topic, so what do you feel? Means, like which kind of efforts can we make, or how can we create if we are not aware, if we are not privy to that particular topic? So how can we, rack our mind to speak on that particular topic?
Yeah, especially if you are not able to speak this topic, then I try to listen first to opposite person. So I do not think that I should deny to discuss about any particular topic. I try to discuss whether I have knowledge or not. That is not matter. If opposite person has this kind of knowledge, so definitely I want to listen from them first of all. Then
Mhm,
if I get some knowledge, then next time I would be able to express my thought. I will be search what is the right or what is the wrong, or anything. If I search in YouTube, then definitely we will find how can we express, how can we present our thoughts, any particular topic. So I don't think we should deny any particular topic to discuss. We should try definitely, because we are here to learning. On the pretext of learning this language, we could learn many things from peoples,
mhm,
after discussing with them. So we should try to discuss every topics. We should not deny to discuss any particular topic, because we have to know everything. If you
mhm,
are able to express any kind of particular topic, then definitely I have to know this kind of also. We should knowledge as well.
mhm.
So
Yes,
we are learning here. So I just want to learn something others people as well. If I knowledge, then definitely I want to give them. If I have not knowledge this kind of any particular topic, then definitely I want to learn from them. Yeah,
definitely.
that's how
Can be golden goose for the offering in the future because nowadays it is very prominent. So yeah, it is good to learn. And okay, so do you have another question you want to ask, or
yeah, maybe I don't think any question I have to ask.
should
If
wrap up the call?
yeah, yes, definitely. It's about to 20 minutes. If we start to discuss any topic, then it would be long.
And it
If
will
you have any topic to discuss, then we will try to another session to connect to
sure.
each other. Okay, definitely. We will try another topic to discuss. Sure.
Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.